YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 back with another review. So like I said, this is a double upload Saturday, and as promised, I got the Air Jordan 13 wings that we're gonna go ahead and unbox and review. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you want to fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and unbox this shoe. And let's not waste no clock and get right into the review, because I'm eager to see what this pair looks like. Now, to my knowledge, this is a pair that released solely on the Sneakers app. Is where I hit my pair from. I don't know of any stores or anything like that that actually dropped this pair. All I know is they released on the Sneakers app and they sold out. So if you want this pair, you're gonna have to go off the secondary market. That's why I'm gonna give you a close look at the box and all the details. So if you're copping off the secondary market, hopefully this video will help you authenticate your shoe prior. So it comes in this dope look box, man. This black box. It has like a black wing right there on the front, all blacked out. On this side, it has Jordan. If you know, there's an iconic Jordan picture and poster of him. It's called the Wings poster, and that's the outline of that poster. It's Jordan right there holding the basketball, holding his arms out. On this side, you got wings in that yellow as well. Let's see what other detail. Let's see here on the box. It's just some, Nike branding in yellow. Got the Jumpman right there in yellow as well. And then this side, here's the sizing label right here. So the sizing label does read Air Jordan 13 Retro Wings, black, black, black. Size 10 and a half is what I normally wear in my Jordan 13s. So let's hop right into it. Opening the top lid. This is what your top lid should look like. And also, the shoe has a wear away upper on the side panels of the denim, and that's what each pair may be different, but that's what you should see underneath. If you happen to tear off the upper of the 13, you should see this pattern. So yeah, Wings Legacy graph, and it just has all the information. The Wings program, I don't know if you know, it's a Jordan brand program that's designed to support the youth, invest in the youth, whether it's through community centers or helping with schooling, any type of donations, things of that nature. I believe that's what the program is about, and it's it's to support the youth. So that's a pretty dope program that Jordan brand has for the youth. So every year they release a Wings Jordan dedicated to their program. So it has all type of writing on here. You can pause this if you want so you can see the writing, the outlines that it has pointing to different sections. Like down here it has 23 wings. Let's see here on the side up here it has Global Jordan, Wings 85 logo, Wings, light bulbs, look closely, Michael Jordan. It has a bunch of stuff on here. So make sure your pair or your box has that. Make sure it comes with the just regular white paper, and then also there's a second set of white paper as well. And the shoes aren't individually wrapped up, and they just come just like this, and they're the shoes. So let me go ahead and grab the other pair, and let me look at the rest of the box to see if there's any green stickers or anything like that. And yes, my box has 2 green stickers. So another review that I saw, I can't remember who it was, may have been Jay, the sneaker guy, had double green YCM stickers as well. So make sure your box has that. And in yellow you have your lot number, and then there's like that compass type of thing right there in the corner, and it's all in yellow. Make sure if you're getting this on the secondary market, your box looks like that. And with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into the review. So here are the kicks, man. Just a clean pair of all blacked out Jordan 13s, pretty much. Pretty dope. And the denim upper, the leather on here. The leather. I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but let me tell you something. Plush leather. Leather is insane, actually. Wow, super soft, and that's all the way around to the side panels, medial and lateral side. Nice, man. Sheesh. Okay, just trying to get a good look. Okay, cool. All right, so let's hop right into the review. All right, so something different. Instead of like the cat eye bubble that you normally get right here on the bottom of your Jordan 13s, it has like the wings. It has a Jumpman and wings going across, and it's in black and white. That's kind of fire. Of course, you got your carbon fiber right there. All black, pretty much pod. I call this the paw print on the forefoot heel. All blacked out, and then you got a hit of green and purple. Right there on the forefoot, and your purple right there on the heel. Dope. Moving up to the upper, all blacked out. This is all blacked out shoes. So we got all blacked out rubber right here on the midsole, or on the midsole, sorry. Upper leather right here. And then on top of that, on the upper, you got denim. This is denim right here. And normally, if you bought a pair of 13s, you know this part is normally in leather, and these parts are like indented. It's supposed to mimic the whiskers of the cats. So you know how the whiskers come out of the cat, but where the whisker starts, and how that looks right there. That's what this is supposed to mimic, because this shoe is designed after the black cat. They used to call Mike the Black Cat. That's his nickname. So yeah, like a panther, I guess, is supposed to be designed after. And all this is denim. So this is the part that wears away. This is the part that rips off on the lateral and on the medial side right here as well. You can actually cut this off, or over time you wear it, it will wear off. So I'm not going to cut these because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not, but just want to mention that is the part that definitely does come off. But that's dope, man. It just looks nice. That black denim against the black leather, it just looks nice, man. This is a nice shoe for sure. And then you got the eye. Of course, I got my plastic over top of it. Let me see. I can peel the plastic off a little bit. Yeah, it's not really coming off, but there you go. That's the plastic. That's over the eye, the hologram with the Jordan Jumpman in the 23. All black laces. Now on the laces, you do have the lace tips in that same green and purple color. That's dope. That gives the laces a little pop. And the whole, this leather is crazy. So the tongue is actually leather. It's that plush leather that's on the tongue. Same that's on the toe box right here. All leather tongue. And then at the top of the tongue, that's when you get your denim. And then you have a black Jumpman that's actually, it's like a plastic piece that's like embedded onto, I'm just trying to get this off so you can see these. So here's the tongue right here. So like I said, the denim tongue, and then you have a plastic blacked out Jumpman right there on the tongue. It's fire. It's not metal, it does feel plastic. On the back of the tongue, you do got the wings, like poster picture that I showed you that's on the box as well. Michael Jordan. And is that the same on the right shoe? Okay, yeah, same on the right shoe, same thing. On the right shoe, the colors are different though. And the colors of the outsole is different as well. So on the right shoe, you got orange at the forefoot on the pods, and then you got blue, almost like a gamma blue. But that wings and Michael Jordan, the Jumpman on the little circle right there is the same. That's how the bottoms look. Two different colors. Other than that, that's the only difference I see between the right shoe and left shoe. Let's go ahead and see the insoles. The insoles look different too. So you got shoe paper. And then the insole, okay, so this insole, you got your sizing sticker on this insole, as you can see. And then in the insole, it's like the picture that I showed you that's on the box lid. That's what's in this insole as well. Let me check this one. Okay, and it's the same thing. Yeah, same thing pretty much. The insole of this one. It's that graphic that I showed you on the top of the box lid with the picture that wears away on the upper, whatever's on the upper right here. When you take this denim piece off, that's what the insole looks like, and it has wings at the bottom with the Jumpman as well. So that's pretty much the review, man. Comment down below, how do you feel about this year's Air Jordan 13 wings? How you feel about it? Is it a cop? Did you cop? Did you get lucky, or are you copying this off the secondary market? Tell me how you feel in the comment section down below. Now, here's the part where I'm struggling with. Do I keep this shoe or not, man? Is this a keeper? I mean, this shoe is fire, man. And the leather, like I said, I mean, I'm sorry to keep doing this, but listen, This leather is crazy on this pair. Like, just the craftsmanship alone, and it's dope. It's just an all black Jordan 13. It's fire. And I'm sure when I take this sticker off, and if I were to keep these and take the sticker off in the hologram, I'm sure that hologram is gonna look crazy. It's gonna make the shoe pop even that much more. That denim hit just looks fire. With a pair of jeans, pair of black jeans, yeah, that's gonna go crazy with a pair of black jeans, for sure, without a doubt. So here's my dilemma, man. I don't know if I should keep these or not, man. I don't know, man. These are fire, man. I'm just wrestling with the fact that if I should keep them or not. I did notice this too. Right here, normally it has Jordan right here on this little tag that's in front of the toe box. On this pair, it has wings in white, and this one has wings as white as well. I did notice that. So, I don't know, man. Help me out, man. Comment in the comment section down below, man. Should I keep this pair or not, man? Or should I just let it go? This is a fire pair. This pair is dope. Whew, man. I don't know. I feel like this might be a keeper, y'all. You know, one of my favorite color is red. My secondary favorite color is black. So this being an all blacked out Jordan 13 with this leather and those different denim hits that's on the top, dope. Yeah, this might be a keeper, man. If you stayed this far into the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. If you want more sneaker content, check out my YouTube short and my Instagram at downwine914. And to the next video, I'm out.
Hey yo, Don Juan, what up, bro? It's time. We gotta let these folk know you certified in this thing, man. Let them know you beneficial, and you know these haters ain't beneficial. Let me talk to them. Give and go. 3, 2, 1, repeat it. Yeah. 6-0. We undefeated. Yeah, you know. Shoe game, done beat it. Done one. Haters can't even hate. You unneeded. Yeah, you done.